Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I bought these Meta Ray-Ban glasses and I finally got them in. So I've had them now for about 48 hours, a little more than 48 hours. And I'm going to share photos and videos that I've taken on the glasses throughout while I talk about them. But the first thing I would say to you guys is that for those of you who may be interested in getting these smart glasses and you want them for the AI features, maybe the live translation, or you want them to like tell you, what's in front of you, that type of thing, or what type of treat this is, or how can I make a meal, or whatever that is that's being advertised, go to Meta's website first and check and see if your country supports Meta AI. Not all countries do. This country that I'm in South America, Colombia, does not support these glasses. I knew that going in. So I really wanted it for the photo, the video, and the glasses themselves, because I do wear sunglasses. So these were stylish. This is a classic Ray-Ban look, and having the photo and video quality just made it better for me. So that's why I picked them up. Eventually, at some point, I'm sure AI will come to South America, but for right now, it is not here. So those features are not available in this country for these smart glasses. But I will say this. As far as using it for social media and using it for short form video like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, they work perfect, okay? The video is compressed anyway. It's only 1080p. It's in a 9:16 aspect ratio. It's not 16:9. And if you crop it in, it does look pretty pixelated. So I don't even try with the aspect ratio because that's not where I got these. These are not going to replace like my Osmo Action 5 Pro or my Insta360 Ace Pro. It's not replacing any of that. But these are cool for what they are, right? They're hands-free, and you learn a couple things when you're out and about with these, right? So when I'm using my action cameras, I can just kind of hold it in one place and the stabilization is really good, and I'm not really jerking around a whole lot. You got to kind of use that same philosophy when you have these glasses on, because naturally you're looking here, you're looking there, you're looking around everywhere, and the glasses are moving with you. So it looks weird. It's like when I'm looking back at some of the videos, you kind of get, what's the word I'm looking for? Disoriented, because you're like whipping real fast. You got to remember when you're recording to stay steady or what you're recording and not try to move so much or cock your head one way or the other. Just stay straight. So I learned that in the quick 48 hours that I've had these glasses. But I will say we went out to the waterfall and these work great. They work great. Stabilization on these are very good. The image quality is good for it only being a 12 megapixel camera. My battery life never got low. And again, I turn them off when I'm not using them because I'm not listening to music. I'm not taking phone calls on them. I'm not doing anything like with Facebook or Instagram on them. I'm just basically using them as sunglasses and photo and video that's hands-free. That's basically all I'm doing with these. And because also I don't have any of the AI features on here, so battery life is really never gonna be an issue for me. I put them back in the case when I'm done with them, having them on, and when I'm going inside. In the mall areas, you can wear them in the mall. It's pretty bright in some of the malls, and in some of the malls here, it's outside. So like the center of the mall, you may get natural sunlight coming in. So it's not weird for people here to have sunglasses on inside the mall because of all the natural lighting that comes in. So for me, it worked out perfect so far. Now this is just 48 hours in. These are new to me, but I already know these are not gonna replace like any of my action cameras. That's not gonna happen. The microphone on here when doing video is decent. You can still hear a lot of background noise. You can try to, take some of that out with your video editor. But I mean, if you want to leave it as a natural sound, you can. That's the way I'm going to do it when I do a lot of my shorts. So look forward, guys, to seeing a lot more shorts of tech products, things that I've had before, things that I'm getting new. I'm going to try to do them on the glasses because that's what I got them for. So I don't have to worry about turning any of my action cameras, change the orientation, or even using my iPhone as much, which I still will use from time to time. But anyway though, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully this information helps someone out. And with that being said, that's it. I'm out. Peace. You guys enjoy.